Today I'm going to try a little pond I used to pass by when I went to work. Was always curious, so let's see what happens. You never know. Some of these ponds, my friend Jeff and I used to catch frogs and turtles at. This particular pond, I don't think we ever messed with it, but it's spring fed. So I've always been wanting to try that. So let's see what happens. Okay, got something on. It's a nice largemouth. That's a good fish. There's another good fish here. Real good fish. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a beauty right there. All right, let me let this guy get in and let me let him go. That's a good fish. Another good fish. And I've been here a few minutes. Wow. I found myself a honey hole. That's another good one. All right. That's another real good bass. I've only been here a few minutes, and it's just a real small pond. Found myself a honey hole. All right. Okay, that's a good sized bluegill on number 4 blue fox. You don't see that every day. Okay, right after that bluegill, I got this nice bass. He's a good size. That's all out of this pond here. I'm glad I stopped. Been riding by this pond for years. Cool. All right, let me let this guy go. Well, that worked out really well. I got a number of real good chunky sized bass, a ton of real good sized bluegills. So you just never know. It's just a small pond, but it is spring fed. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching.